Ukraine is planning to show destroyed Russian military equipment in Warsaw, Berlin, Lisbon, and other cities in Europe. Ukraine's defense minister Oleksiy Reznikov said this in an interview with the Polish TV channel Polsat News. According to the minister, removing Putin from power in Russia will not end the war in Ukraine, as not only one person in Russia hates Ukraine. He said that the entire Kremlin is pursuing an imperial policy and Russian generals want to see their tanks in Lisbon. And we will help to ensure that Russian tanks are in Europe, but as scrap. We plan to hold exhibitions of destroyed Russian equipment. We will start with Warsaw, and then Berlin, Paris, Madrid and finally Lisbon, Reznikov said. When asked about the exchange of prisoners of war, Reznikov noted that there is a possibility of releasing the Ukrainian military. According to him, the Russians are now adhering to the Convention on the Humane Treatment of Prisoners of War, but it is unknown whether this will continue. Reznikov stressed that Ukraine is negotiating the release of Azovstal defenders. Ukraine claims Russia lost some 1,477 tanks and 3,588 armored vehicles since the invasion began in February. Some of the missiles, burned Russian tanks and other military vehicles are currently being displayed in downtown Kyiv. Ukraine is urging the US and its European allies to supply more weapons for its military, which is under heavy barrage of Russian artillery fire in the country's east. Still, in many European nations, the war is fading from public awareness with citizens increasingly focused on a growing cost of living crisis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.